How to fix no sound when second monitor connected in Windows. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. And in this following tutorial, I'll show you how can you fix no sound when second monitor connected in Windows. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now first of all, you could always go and make sure to check your settings. So go ahead and open up your search box and type in settings. And here you want to click the open button, and when you open it up here you want to go to system and locate sound. Here it is, so click the sound button. You want to go ahead and make sure to select the default ones. Make sure to go ahead and check all of these. So here you could go ahead and make sure to change all of these or change the default ones as well. After you've made changes with this, you could restart your device and see whether the issue has been fixed or not. However, if you're still unable to fix it, so you could also check your audio drivers. So you want to go ahead and click on the search box and type in device manager, and then click the open button once you locate it. So it's going to open up in a pop-up menu. So here you want to go ahead and click on audio input as well as audio processing. So you want to go ahead and double click on it and make sure to right click on the mouse and see whether you have to update the drivers or not. Once you've done it so, you could restart it so and see whether the issue fixes or not. However, in some cases, restarting can also fix, so you could try restarting and see whether the issue has been fixed or not. So this is how you could fix no sound when second monitor connected in Windows. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.